Hello guys and welcome to this course. Now I want to congratulate you for taking massive action, giving your time up to learn what I'm going to be teaching you, okay? Now I just want to welcome you to the fam, and I just want to tell you a little bit about myself so you can get to know me a little bit. My name is Daniel Charles, I'm 33 years old and I live in England, and I just want to tell you how I first come about to making money online. Well, I left school when I was 15 with no education. I used to truant every day. I never used to turn up to school, and the teacher said to me, look, your best bet is to go and get a job now while everyone else is in school so you can get ahead of everyone to get a job. They didn't really believe that I could get a job, so I ended up leaving school and I started working in a fishing float factory where I made little fishing floats, sitting on a machine all day, cutting wood up, doing all that. I didn't really like it. I left 6 months into it because it just wasn't for me. I always had this dream inside my head of making money, and that's all I could dream about, is making money. And I didn't know how I was going to do it, because when I first started, the internet wasn't around, you see. I'm quite old, so the internet wasn't around. So I wanted to get into the property market game and stuff like that, but it never worked out. And then the internet come along and I thought, okay, people are starting to make money online. I'm going to try and do that. I started off with the general stuff like eBay shop. I actually got shut down on my first eBay shop because I was selling copyrighted CDs, so they shut me down for copywriting. That wasn't good experience. So I've been through a lot of courses and a lot of things online, so I can tell you my experience that I've took most courses online and I've failed at every single course. Probably there's been one or two courses that have been really good, but I've paid about $3,000 for a course, okay? And them courses are generally pretty good, okay? The ones what you buy for, $29 and that don't really work out. Now I know this course is pretty cheap. Have faith in me, this is gonna work for you, okay? Because I'm teaching you stuff from my experience of 9 years, okay? So it's very simple to make money online. I'm going to show you in the next couple of steps. So I just need you to be focused and take massive action, okay? That's what you need to make money online, and never give up. And we can do this, okay? So let's jump into it right now and let's take massive action.